Hey everybody, just a real quick video on how to change the PCV valve on an 8th generation Accord. Now we actually have two Accords, one for each of my daughters. We have a 2008 and a 2012. So I just got done changing the PCV valve on the 2012, and I figured I would do a real quick video of the swap here on the 2008. Now this is like a 3 to 5 minute job. It's super simple to do. This is the one that came out of the 2012. And the main reason I did it was that car is just not getting very good gas mileage. It's in the low 20s, so many things that can cause that, and one of them is a bad PCV valve. Now, I think this one may still be good. I can still hear it rattling around in there, but you know, this is a very cheap part. It can cause oil consumption, poor fuel burn, and also worst case, it can increase the pressure in your crankcase and cause oil leaks. So if you haven't changed the PCV valve recently, 50,000 miles, I would suggest doing it as a nice preventative maintenance. Now, I'll leave the link for this one below. I actually didn't buy the OEMs. I bought these Beck Arnley PCV valves. They're, I don't know, about half the price of OEM. And when I looked at the reviews, they're very highly reviewed. And the only negative reviews talk about if you try to torque it per the factory specs, you can break them. But that's also the same with the OEMs. So bit of advice, you know, just get them down snug here tight. So let's jump right into this. It'll just take a few minutes to show you how to do this. Okay, so you'll find the PCV valve right here, just right above the alternator. And all you're gonna need is a pair of needle nose pliers and a 17mm deep well socket. So the first thing you need to do is get this hose clamp off. Squeeze it, slide it back, pull the hose off. 17mm deep well. Break it loose. There's the old one. You can still hear that one rattling around. That one has a little bit of oil on it, so probably time to be replacing this one. So here's the new one. You should always get a new crush ring. I'll also put the link to some crush rings below. They're very inexpensive. Thread this one in. Now here's where you got to be careful. You don't want to put too much force on this because, like I said, negative reviews talk about this PCV valve breaking, and that's even with the OEMs. So just get it down, get it snug. You know, you're not like setting bearing pressure or something here, and this hose clamp will keep it held on. Slide the hose back on. I'd suggest spinning the clamp to the top. Slide it back on, and you're done. So very simple, and you should be good to go for a while now. And you know, if you did appreciate the clarity and brevity of this video, please give it a thumbs up. It'll help move it up in the search results. Thank you very much.